What's going on, YouTube fam? Just tapping in with y'all real quick, showing you some of the things that I do on a daily basis. It's currently 12:29 a.m. December 5th, Thursday night. I'm out so late because I just got done coaching my son's flag football team, but I still got work to do, right? And I'm in here in this particular janitorial closet, restocking some things. I just brought some new paper towels, tissue, all that good stuff in here, as well as rags, refilled some of the solutions for my team members, as you see here. And I was thinking to myself, like, man, this is how it goes, right? I'm fresh out of flag football practice, got to eat dinner, spent some time with my family, just a little bit, right? But I still got work to do, right? And I'm sitting here thinking, like, man, this will be great content because of the fact that it's not always easy. As much as I want to go get in the bed right now and get comfortable and just relax, I still got stuff to do. This is on my list today. I know I had to get it done. I hadn't been here in a while. I got to do inspections, right? And until I hire somebody to do that for me, I'm the one that's got to do that, right? So I want y'all to see that, it's not always fun, right? But I do enjoy doing some of this stuff. And it's just a matter of getting the things done correctly, right? And making sure that it's being managed correctly, because it's on you when you are the owner of your thing. But let's get into this real quick, man. I just wanted to show y'all some stuff. First and foremost, I'm going to come in here whenever I get to the building. I'm going to check my janitorial communication log, right? I see in here, I got nothing in here. We're all good. No notes for the day. So I want to make sure we got new rags, right? Make sure we got paper towels stocked up here. Can y'all see that? For this particular building, I actually do buy the product on this one, and I simply buy this from Sam's. Sometimes you can either go to Amazon or Sam's, but I buy all the paper towels, I buy all the tissue. This works really great, and my team, they'll stock it up here on the cart. They like using that, so started doing that. I also got to change out the mop heads, right? We usually change them out maybe every couple of weeks, depending on how dirty it gets, but it's stuff like that got to be done too, right? As well as bags, right? We were running out of those bags right there, so I just got some new bags there, as well as these black bags up here, and I got it all stocked up. Also, another thing I do too that I wanted to show y'all is my team, I wash all my rags, right? I got a couple of subcontractors that they will actually take the rags and wash them themselves. They'll clean them, but some of my team members, I actually take the rags and clean them. So as I was doing that is when I thought, let me pull my camera out and show y'all this, because I think it'll be, some good content and very informative. So what I do is I'll leave a bucket down here, and they'll put their dirty rags in there, and I'll just grab them, place them in a bag here. It's kind of awkward shooting this content like this, but I'm doing it, y'all. Let me see here. But yeah, and then I'll bring fresh ones, right? And also, too, another thing I want to show y'all, as I'm going through these buildings with all these boxes and stuff, I'm not doing this just by hand. I picked up this little dolly right here. I got this from Sam's for about, I want to say, less than $60. You can go to wherever, right? But this is a part of it, y'all. Another thing I wanted to share with y'all too is I just got notification today, or an email today, from the project manager that I did that big post-construction claim for. She let me know that they were very pleased with the job that we did for the 19,000 square foot building. We ended up doing another building for them, 3,500 square foot medical facility, very identical. And then now she has another building, a fertility clinic that they're finishing up, that's 14,000 square foot, and asked if we wanted to do it. And so it was something, that's what I wanted to share with y'all too. I thought this would be the perfect time while I'm pulling the camera out doing this. So all that to say, continue to do a great job, because of the fact that one thing can lead to the next, and you can have a whole nother stream of revenue opened up in your business. And that's exactly what's happening right now. And I'm gonna do a whole breakdown on post-construction claims and how you can reach out to different post-construction or construction companies and get on their bidders list, because I just got 2 bid requests. That's the third one actually, but I just got 2 bid requests from another company that I simply just called and reached out to and figured out, hey, how do I get on y'all's list? So I'm gonna break that down too. But all that to say, keep putting in high quality service. I appreciate y'all for watching this one. Leave me some questions if you have any questions about anything I do here, as far as, you know, changing out mop heads and stuff like that, products I use, all that good stuff. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.